Memorize yung mga colors ah. Kaya gusto ko dito.
Ito ang kita yung pagkakanya mag-camping ka na yan.
Nagustuhan mo yun? Hindi ko yun. Hindi ako masarap pansin.
We are here in Cebu! Welcome to another travel vlog. Hindi pala to travel kasi attend kami ng conference or hindi to seminar no conference na lang. So we're here at Marco Polo. We're here at Marco Polo Hotel in Cebu. We're here kasi mag-a-attend kami ng Asian Mission Forum. Para siyang gathering sa church namin. Yung mga missionaries all over Asia. Philippines yung nag-host for this year. Kaka-check-in lang namin. And here's our room. Very short room tour. Here's our door when you enter. May mga lagayan ng mga damit. May slippers na tayo dito. Buti na lang, may slippers. May bathrobe. And then, andito yung safe and yung hair dryer. Hello, Dio.
Hi.
And here's our toilet and bath. Here kami pa bathtub. Ayan. Hello. And then the sink. And then si Divi, ano gagawin mo?
Okay.
Okay, magkakape na si Divi. So, dito yung parang ano namin, mini bar. With coffee, tea. And then, lagayan ng mga luggage. Which hinihintay pa namin kasi iaakyat nila yung mga bagahe namin. And then, 2 double beds. Double beds ba to? Single bed. Double bed. Isa kaming bed ni Divi. And here's the TV and the office table na may mirror. Hi! And may malit na lounging area dito. And here's our view. Maganda yung view namin kasi mountain view. Wow! Maganda ng view natin. Yan. Kaso hindi kita ang sunset. Natakpan ng building na to. Itong malaking building na to. Nandun sana yung sunset, oh. We're gonna be here for 5 nights. Ang start ng conference namin is tomorrow. So, yeah. So, we will be here until August 5. 5 yung check-out namin. And then, magta-transfer kami sa city.
Pwede mo babaan ko yung aircon, babe? It's so cold.
Cold?
Super cold. Yan na.
Tama ba? Kaya natin here. Tama ba yan? So, nag-invite yung ninong namin ni Divi sa kasal. Nag-invite for dinner. Dito na itong sinilas.
Sana yung sa akin?
Tira. Gamitin na natin. Uy, kanindot silang sinilas. Yay! water dito sa sari-sari store kasi walang malapit na convenience store dito sa may Marco Polo. So, ito na kami bumili. Na kami balik sa hotel. And, ano na, oras na. 9:44 na pala. Tomorrow's breakfast is, 6 a.m. to 10. So, mga 9 tayo magkain ng breakfast. Kasi sobrang busog ko talaga. Ang sarap na kinain natin tonight. Kumain kami sa isang Spanish restaurant. Masarap. Napakita ko some clips. Kasi naiya ako mag-vlog. Hindi kasi alam ni Ninong Chito na nagva-vlog ako. Sa sari-sari store kami bumili ng water. Sana may mga mga malapit na convenience store dito. Kasi yung Marco Polo pala, meron na pala silang condo. So sana kahit sa baba lang ng nila, ng building nila, or building ng condo nila, may mga convenience store para hindi na hassle. Ito lang yung water namin. 1,000 ml, 500 ml. Pwede na for tomorrow. So, bukas kami. Ano sabi ng antites kanina? 5 o'clock mag-start? Yung meet and greet. Kanina may na-meet na kaming taga Myanmar. So, some of the attendees will arrive tomorrow. Kasama na si Uncle Joel and Auntie Cor. And si Uncle Bong. Nakasama namin kanina si Uncle Bong sa airport. So, manood ako ng Chosen. Manood ako ng The Chosen. Maganda. See you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning. Nililigo si Dewey. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. And I am getting ready na. It's already, na pala, 8:23 in the morning. Mga 9 kasi daw kami magbe-breakfast. Sinote ko yung nila guys, yung bathrobe nila. Para ma-ROI naman natin. I'm just gonna do my skincare, do my makeup, and then mag-breakfast tayo. Good morning, Cebu! Ay, nag-blurred. So, we are just waiting for the others, si Mama, Papa, and Jerome. We're ready. Mag-fit check lang tayo mamaya. Si Dewey, very casual. The running club, hindi naman siya nagwa-run.
Running.
Running lang towards the breakfast. I-fix natin yung bed. Yan, may mansa ka, Dewey. Hello! Ay, hindi pala kaya fit check dito. Meron kasing harang. We're on our way to breakfast.
Under of Joanna?
Yes.
For 2 persons?
Yes. Pero may family kami. Baka we can sit together. 11. Thank you.
Jerome went and changed kay naka-fanboy.
Ikaw, mag-gym ka na din. After.
Oh, ikaw hindi kagali? Sama?
Breakfast time. Daming choices, no? Mandala ba? Protein. May gulay. Babalik ako ng room ngayon dahil mag-gym daw kami. So, naka-wrong outfit tayo. So, mag-bihis muna ako. By the way, fit check ko lang ito. Hindi ko lang alam kung kita ninyo. This is the fit check for today. Kita nyo ba? Hindi ako marunong mag-fit check eh. Barrel pants from Uniqlo. Itong top ko from Mango. And then shoes. Puma. Speedcat. Nilagyan ko yung lace, yung sapatos ko. Pakita ko na lang. Ayan. So, I'm now ready for the gym. Cycling shorts or bicycle shorts. Naka New Balance na ako ulit. So, let's go. But hindi ko alam kung aakit pa ba dito si Dewey. Ganda ng view dito sa kabila din, guys. So, yung city view. Kita mo yung city of Cebu. Ay, sorry. Bababa pala. Sorry. So, we're in the basement. Kasi dito yung gym. Dami silang gamit. And tayo lang. We're here at the pool. Oh, okay. Ay, di pala nakaano. So, dito kami sa may pool area.
You have to go back?
I think so. Mag-register muna kami for AMF. Oh my gosh, ang hirap ng stairs. So, we are here at Ayala Malls at IT Park. Bili muna kami ng mga essentials. Search mo daw kung may healthy options dito. So we're here at a new coffee shop sa Cebu, Punched Cafe.
I like it. Pistachio. Very pistachio talaga. Matcha?
Parang floral eh. Mama's order. French toast. Parang ano man to dito? BGC?
Dito nagatambay mga bata.
Grabe ang init. Oh my gosh! Mama.
May gana nila doon, diba? Kami na anoche.
We're walking to Ayala Mall para bumili ng water. Kasi yung hotel namin walang convenience store sa labas. Diba sa sari-sari store natin binili yung tubig natin na pakunti lang?
Why is so army?
Ewan ko sa kanya. We're at Vans. Kaya bibili daw si Dewey ng shoes.
3 na lang pala to. 3.6 lang pala.
As we come together, we are in the sanctuary of God. We come together to offer ourselves, our heart, our mind, our spirits, our souls.
Morning! We're on our way to eat breakfast. Mama's here.
Table inside, so here lang na tayo.
Bakit man?
I'm so formal.
Hello, good morning! Naka-lipstick. Kakawa na sila. Buffet. Dami naman tao. Morning.
Trump has got very strict on it.
Hello, we're back. It's break time. It's already 1:21 in the afternoon. Magnanap kami. Kasi, 3 o'clock pa yung balik namin sa session hall. So, magnanap muna kami para may energy mamaya. Kaya baka late na naman matapos. Yan, natulog na si Divi. Ayan, nakahiga na. Nakamanta pa. Huy! Cebu is so mainit. Pero ang lamig-lamig dito sa hotel. Fit check for today. Binili ko tong, polo sa Ukay. And then yung brand niya. Wait, anong brand dito?
That is Timberland.
Timberland, yan. And then yung shorts from Uniqlo. White shirt from Uniqlo as well. And yun, naka-ID pa ako. We have siguro 1 hour for nap.
And just like Jesus at his baptism, God looks at you and says, "You are my beloved son, my beloved daughter." And I am so well pleased. We had a great conference here at the Asian Mission Forum. If you're a guest this morning, could you raise your hand if you haven't been at the Asian Mission Forum? Raise your hand. Okay. Well, we have about 5. Very good. Well, glad you are here. Several of you may not know who I am. My name is Pat Bills. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I'm going to do something.
Happy Sunday, everyone! We're done with our lunch. And yung buong hapon namin ngayon, free yung time namin. So, we're thinking of going to Atua. Kita namin siya sa vlog ni Jessica Lee. So, yun yung ganap this afternoon. Ang ganda ng worship talaga kanina. Everybody's worshiping. Ang ganda talaga ng feeling pag everybody's worshiping the Lord with all emotions. Some of the AMF attendees will have a tour this afternoon as well. Pupunta sila sa Temple of Leia at sa Tops, yung sa Tops area. Kahit ako hindi pa ako nakapunta doon. Well, nakapunta na ako pero matagal na talaga siya. Yung recent changes sa Tops, hindi ko pa nakikita. But I don't know if we will be able to go maybe tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow is our last day. Is it tomorrow? No, Tuesday. Tuesday is our last day. Wala na kaming lunch sa Tuesday. So, breakfast and then may isa pang keynote speaker and then uwian na. So, we will be transferring to a parang Airbnb. I don't know kung baka sa IT Park kami. Once na yung flight namin pabalik ng Zamboanga. Sobrang saya lang kanina, guys, kasi marami akong nakitang mga kasama ko dati sa youth before nung kabataan days pa namin. Meron kaming parang sa church namin, parang siyang workshop. Basta magsistay kami dito sa Cebu. Kasi yung uncle ko, church minister siya dito sa Cebu. So, nung youth days ko, pupunta kami dito sa Cebu every summer. 2 weeks kami dito magstay. And then, para kaming apprentice ng uncle ko. Or, I mean, sunod-sunod lang kami kung ano yung mga ganap nila dito in terms of church activities. Para pagdating sa mga home church namin, ma-apply namin sa home church namin kung ano yung mga natutunan namin dito. And ang dami kong na-meet nung time na yon during our ASAP days. And ngayon, marami akong na-meet na mga friends ko dati sa ASAP. And ang saya lang kasi syempre, grown-ups na kami. And nakakatuwa lang na mag-reconnect and magkaroon kami ng parang mini reunion. So, yeah, nakakatuwa lang. Mag-reconnect sa mga friends mo na mga dating friends na meet mo before pa nung kabataan days. So, we're now here at Atua. And, yeah, we'll explore. Ang alam ko parang old hotel to, ma. back here. Saan kami nanggaling coffee shop last time. But dito kami sa may spring. The spring. Kaso lang puno. Yeah, puno.
Labas na tayo.
No, I know. I think it's puno talaga. Wala silang space sa loob. So, lipat na lang talaga kami sa Ayala Mall. Init. So humid. So, we're walking to Ayala. Walang successful visit. So, we'll find a coffee shop na lang sa ending namin Abaca pa rin. Maliit lang kasi yun ang man ng spring. The spring. So, nasa Abaca kami ngayon sa Ayala. I ordered matcha and Danish. Taste test. Yan masarap. Matcha. Starchy din yung matcha nila.
While you go to Vietnam, yan ang orderin mo palagi yung coconut latte. Masarap talaga yung coffee nila kasi bagay talaga
Ito na ang kape, ito na ang lasa.
Mas masarap pa dyan.
Masarap. We're back in the hotel. Pasensya sa kalat na nakikita niyo. Kakatapos ko lang kumain ng dinner. Nag-order kami ng Food Panda. Mga tubig at saka throat candy. Nasa Ayala Mall kami kanina and nakalimutan namin bumili ng water at saka ng throat candy. Wala talagang tindahan or convenience store malapit dito sa hotel namin. Ang dilim ko pala. So ito, bumili ako nito. Against the light kasi tayo, guys. Ano ba yan? Anong klaseng vlogger ito? Hindi marunong. I thought of giving them a pack of paper kwa. Kasi hindi ko lang alam kung meron to sa kanila. I doubt. Siyempre sa India, meron ba nito at saka sa America. Pero, I don't know lang kung alam nyo ba to. Alam nyo naman siguro to, no, kaya nakikita nyo to sa mga Mercury Drug, sa mga Watsons. Sobrang effective to for us. Ewan ko lang sa inyo. So, that's why we rave it a lot. So, start na kami ng 7:30 and it's already 7:27. So, bababa na ako. Hindi ko na ata kayo dalhin with me. Kasi tonight, magkakaroon lang kami ng short session. May speaker na naman ngayong gabi. And that's it. So, I think wala naman akong maiba-vlog doon. And I don't usually vlog pag ongoing yung conference namin. So, I'll get back to you guys maybe tomorrow. Good morning! It's our last day of conference tomorrow. We're done. Uy, papunta na kami ng
Breakfast.
Yeah. Breakfast. Fit check. Uy. Uy. Me. Uy, we're both in green. Baba.
Uy. Ilong.
Medyo maaga tayong diba? It's already 7:22.
He wanted to know why this foreigner, who was obviously coming from a higher class than he, would get into the mud and help him. This is kingdom leadership, of giving up positions of power, of authority, of privilege, and becoming one with the people and sharing the burdens and living out the gospel that we are trying to preach.
Now come to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine.
Good morning! We're off to our last breakfast here. Mamaya check out na kami. Fit check! Good afternoon. Hello. Yakabay de Amon, AMF. And demoted ya kami.
Airbnb na kami. Nice ha, maganda yung location yan and very cheap.
Tapos ang landers na sa harapan lang. May belo pala here. Sa building na to. And then sa harap may landers.
we're here at SNR buying our pangkabuhayan. As you can see,
Okay, go.
anong masasabi mo, ma?
Perfect.
Anong perfect?
Very fast.
Very fast because I know what to get na.
Very good.
So, we're done. Yeah, kabaya kami at last. Papaya lang, takumpra lang le. Pasala takumpra.
Collagen.
Supplements. Oo. Ma, what are you looking for?
D3 with vitamin K, era.
Sino sa inyo na pupunta sa SNR para bumili ng mga pangkabuhayan showcase ninyo? Please comment down below. We're now here at SMC side. We'll have dinner here siguro and then suroy-suroy. We are with Sir Dave. Mama bought hand carry luggage. So they're already inside Tim Ho Wan. Here kami mag-dinner. Our favorite, Mama's favorite. Ay, tingnan kami. Yan yung new star, guys, or new star. Yan, parang barko. Vlog na tayo.
Softly, haggard ako.
We're now here at the airport. This ends our Cebu trip.
Mama ko parang zombie.
Delayed yung flight namin. So, from 10:30 na move sa 11. So, 1 hour wait time.